Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead to the general, and I'm gonna go ahead to the software update and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to my screen, and I'm gonna go ahead to my browser. If you want to hide apps on iPhone, tap the check mark beneath that page of the apps that you want to hide so that tick disappears. That's one way to do it. Or you could just go ahead and select the app that you want to hide by just holding right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click edit home screen, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the minus button right here on the app, and basically just click right here, remove from home screen. And by removing from home screen, you gotta click done, and that app will be available on your app library if you searched for it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.